Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. And in this video we will be reviewing squishy things, like top 5 weird squishy things. Okay, and I'll be right back when I have my first one. Okay, so the first weird squishy thing is gum. It's not really weird, but like, you don't actually squish it with your hands, you squish it with your teeth. Like, it helps you concentrate, and it's really good for school. So that's why we might be allowed to chew gum at school soon, because someone wrote a persuasive letter about gum, and the elementary might be allowed to chew gum. Because the high school already can, because the high school has way more privileges than the elementary, so that is the first weird squishy thing. The second weird squishy thing is this slime. It's a failed slime experiment, and it was the most embarrassing thing ever, because I tried making slime at school, but then it failed, and it's like regular slime. Because most slime is actually like, squishy, and it doesn't stick to your hands, but this is actually liquid. And it actually is really squishy. And I think it might be better than slime, because if you put it in a bag, it feels so good. And if you take it out, it's like, oh my gosh, it feels so good on your fingers. So that is the second weirdest squishy things, failed slime experiment. So this third weird squishy thing is pulled barbecue chicken. It's actually really squishy and fun to squish. It's like really, but it smells horrible. Okay, so the fourth thing is actually like a deflated water bottle. Sorry about the bad lighting, I'll be right back. This is still kind of bad because it just turned on those lights up there. But I love squishing these water bottles. All you have to do is like squish it. Make sure it's not that full so you don't squish it. Like, make sure all the air gets out and you squish it. Oh my god. I could do this all day. It is raining all this. Okay, and you have to have the water in it because it makes it so much. That noise. I could do this all day. And it's better with water because it like flattens out. See, it's like bubbled up there, and then it's right there. You squish it, and it makes it like a regular. And yeah, I have no idea what I'm saying. Okay, and I will be right back. Hi, Megan, with the fifth thing. Okay, so the fifth weird squishy thing is, like those squishy balls. This one is a football, but like when you get those squishy balls, and they're kind of hard to squish, but I don't really like those because I want to like grab it like this, and I have to put a lot of pressure on it. But most people like it because if they're angry, they want to squeeze the guts out of it and like squeeze it as hard as they can, try to get it like flat. So yeah, so I think my teacher got me this. I think from a dollar store. I don't know. Probably there, because it's just one of those cheap little balls. But you can pretty much find these anywhere. But they're the ones that are not that much squishy. It could work as a stress ball. And yeah. And I also have a bonus one. So I'll be right back for that. So the sixth bonus thing, this is a bonus, is clay. Clay is actually really squishy and is really fun to play with. I've been playing with it for like, I don't even know how long. I think it was like 20 minutes now. I just love it. You can mold it into different things. It's just so I love squishy things. I think Karina Garcia got me obsessed with squishy things. But I just love it so much. Like, I didn't realize that clay was so much fun to squish. Sorry. My battery is low. So, yeah. So, I hope you like this video today. And, please give it a like. And please subscribe and watch all my other videos. Go check out Dawn1234. Her profile picture is "Oh Hi There." That's what it says, and there's like a girl in there. Go check out our Halloween music video, and I am in it. I am the lead dancer. And Bumblebee. My sister Megan is Frankie, and my sister's friend Addison is a genie, and she is the right dancer from your view. I hope you liked this video, and bye.